Welcome to the Encounter Report, where one wrong move can change everything. Let's get into it.
None of your business? Yeah, none of your business? None of your business?
Oh.
I don't answer questions.
I'm gonna go talk to them.
Okay. This how we starting off? All right.
And if you solicit a trespass, I'll sue your ass. You can't solicit a trespass. But go ahead and try. I understand you don't like free speech and you hate accountability. I got a camera. It's the most deadly weapon to a cop. Is the camera.
He ain't lying about that.
Oh, darn, you can't trespass me. That sucks.
Yo, I don't know who this dude is, but he is off the chain. He gotta be a lawyer or something.
It's none of your business if I'm supposed to be here. I can be wherever I want. It's public.
That's a fact.
Yeah. This is public.
This is public.
How's it going, man? I'm Sergeant Clareman.
I don't care. I'm not going to shake your hand.
No? Yeah,
You're over here harassing people.
Card, though,
Okay, I'll take your card.
Yeah. You got a card or anything?
Nope. I'm not going to identify.
Who are you with?
Myself.
Yourself?
Yeah.
Are you a lawyer? Or
I'm a lawyer.
A lawyer? Okay.
Yo, I love these type of videos right here. Alright, so the lawyer on his head. The lawyer is on his head. Pause.
Same one that was on the phone the other day, I guess?
Probably.
Yeah, okay. Fair enough, man.
If you've been harassing my guys, then I'm the lawyer you've been talking to.
It's not harassment, man.
It's harassment. This is harassment.
How's it harassment?
It's harassment because, why? Because he's got a sweat.
I just created a $47
You
ebook
got
in
to be
3
kidding
minutes
me
flat
right
using
now.
AI. Time me while I do it again.
Really?
Already in designer.
Get your
Sweater on?
up off of here.
Do you know why they got pulled over?
I know why why is the gang unit pulling these guys over? I know exactly why you're doing
We're a
it.
gang unit.
Yeah, they're not a gang.
Those are documented gang members.
That's not a documented gang.
Hey guys, for once I was wrong. White people do get pulled over. No, I'm just BSing y'all. I'm just bullshitting. But yeah, this is crazy though. Like, it's like we can't get together and do anything, us as a black race or white race. Like, when you're in a group, like, they always feel threatened. Law enforcement I'm talking about. They always feel threatened, and then they always got to pull up and, man, try to disperse the crowd. Well, y'all got to leave. Why we got to leave? We can't sit and talk? Like, what's going on here? We pay taxes, buddy.
It is a document.
Now, have you not read the case law on this issue?
Which one?
The case law on this issue. You want me to go get it out of my car?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so you can get my car, don't you? No, you'll see it in court. Don't worry, because I'm going to be suing every single one of you. It's in this district, too, so you might want to look up your own district.
Sergeant Clare quickly backs down after discovering that Grisham is a lawyer and decides not to press trespassing charges against
he
him.
was a lawyer.
Next up, we have Officer Malazzo from Cook County, who was sued by a woman when he tried to detain her as she was doing a suspicious act of taking pictures.
Let's
Ma'am, you
do
know
it.
this is a public building?
Exactly, that's why I'm recording it.
It's also
Yo, yeah, so yeah, this is for me because I'm a photographer too. So yeah, I need to see what's going on here.
a court facility,
Yep.
which there is a judicial law or judicial order that says that you cannot tape this building.
Can I see that order?
Yes, come on in. We're going to check your IDs too.
Oh, no, I'm not going in.
Oh, yeah, no. We're gonna run you, too.
No, that's all
We're going to
right.
get your name.
No,
We're
you're
going to do a
not.
report and everything. So come on in.
Y'all not doing that.
no.
No, yeah, you're going to come in now.
Nope,
Am I being
no,
detained?
I'm not.
Yes,
For what?
because right now you are doing something suspicious.
That's not a reason to detain anybody.
It is for dinner. Come on.
It's really
Let's
not,
go
so I'm
inside,
just going
man.
to stay here and continue recording.
Okay. You're going to come in and we're going to find out who you are and what you're doing here.
No, you're not.
No, you're not. You're not gonna do anything, buddy. What you're gonna do? You're gonna take these. You're gonna take this lyrical ass whooping that she about to give you right now.
All right, who's got cuffs? She does not want to go agreeably.
Agreeably.
Okay?
I'm being detained for just taking pictures of the building.
Yes, ma'am. You're doing something suspicious, and we need to know who you are and why you're doing it. Okay?
Are you familiar with the First Amendment?
Yes. I am.
Really?
Let's
Put your
go
hands
in.
behind your back.
Come on.
Wow.
I tried to do this nicely.
The same officer was set for a trial later and was absolutely taken to the cleaners by the lawyer.
Do you recognize the young lady seated to my right? Yes. And who is she?
Amanda Burquest.
And when did you come to know her? March.
Oh, look at that face. Don't get scared now, buddy. Let's go.
Of last year.
And how did you come to know her?
We observed her outside. We stopped her and detained her
For what?
Why'd you detain her?
for suspicious activity.
Like what?
What crime did you suspect her of committing?
We suspected her of violating the judicial order,
Huh?
videotaping in and around the building.
And did you say and around the building?
Yes,
Does the judicial order actually say the words and around, or is that your own words?
that was what we were told at the time.
Ah, now that's what we were told at the time. Oh, now big bad ass don't know what he talking about now, huh? Oh, now that's what we were told. Ain't you supposed to know? You the law, buddy.
Who told you that?
I don't recall.
Oh, now you don't recall. Yo, this is hilarious. Yo, get this guy, but yeah, lock him up.
Well, it's very important to know, so I need you to really dig deep and try
Yeah,
to
dig
remember
deep.
who told you that the policy
who told you
is
that?
to detain people taking pictures outside of the building.
Who told you that?
It was just the standard policy dating back.
Yeah, you're fired.
After 9/11.
So you received some sort of training, or was it a phone call? How is it that you first learned after 9/11
Ooh,
that
they
you're
on that
supposed
boy
to
head.
detain people taking pictures outside of the building?
That was the policy
his
that we were
face.
told back then,
Back when?
after 9/11,
Okay, so you were told this in 2001,
approximately.
and you haven't been told that since?
Not that I can recall.
You are dead in the water, buddy.
How is it that you became aware of the policy? Did somebody tell you? Did somebody post it? Was it an email?
Come on, bad guy.
Farthest back I remember, it would have been the Chief Deputy Robert Beavers.
Oh, you dropping names?
And when would that have been?
After 2001.
Robert Beavers? He just threw you under the bus, buddy.
Robert Beavers now.
He's dead.
Oh, you threw it on the dead man. Oh, my flag on the play. Yo, flag on the play, bruh. Flag on the play. This man just put this on the dead man. Man, oh my God. Stop the count, bruh. Look at his face. 15-yard penalty, man. Automatic first down, bruh. Hey. Oh
Anybody
my
else in
God.
preparation for today other than your lawyer?
No,
All right. Have you reviewed anything?
just my offense incident reports.
You didn't review the actual policy or the judicial order that you referred to?
No.
As the interrogation goes on, it
Yo.
becomes evident that Officer Malazzo has a limited understanding of the legal rights and was educated on the subject from the lawyer.
Just about Ms. Berquist taking pictures outside of the courthouse. Okay, so if I understand what you're saying that unless you know why somebody's videotaping the court, it is automatically suspicious.
Yes.
Okay, so anybody recording the building, unless you know why, is acting suspiciously, right?
Yes.
And you could detain them, right?
If you're looking for business
Yo,
funding,
come on
stop
with the commercial. It
wasting
was
time
just
with
getting
traditional
good, man.
banks. Get matched with
Come
lenders who actually
on.
Well, we could stop and ask them what they're doing.
And then if they refuse to provide ID, then you can detain them.
Yes.
Officer Malazzo was charged with $15,000 as the settlement amount. DUI defense.
You had to settle for 15 grand. Boy, that's coming out your pension. I don't know why y'all be acting crazy. Y'all, man, just chill, relax. Relax. Man, y'all try to show so much authority over people just because they don't do what you say do. We don't have to do everything you say do. Unless we're breaking the law. I'm just saying. We ain't got to bow down and kiss ass if we don't want to bow down and kiss ass. What's your name? Why? I don't want you to know my name. They get pissed off about that. That right there will get you detained. It's crazy.
Attorney Larry Foreman cross-examines Officer Shannon Oliver from the Eddyville Police Department, who issued a DUI charge to his client without having any video or blood alcohol level evidence. Let's see what unfolds during the questioning.
How is that even
possible? One of the
possible?
things that you were taught as a future police officer is how to write citations.
Yes.
Right? Citations are important because they document what happened with this particular case.
Yes.
Right? And so you were taught that they must be accurate,
Yes.
complete,
Yes.
and truthful.
Yes.
Right? Those are the
Yes.
3 core principles.
Yes.
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 Because in the future, people would rely on the citation, on the information that you included in the citation, correct?
Correct.
So, and in this case, by the way,
The judge like, hurry up with this shit. I'm ready to get up out of here and have my smoke.
have any type of body camera or in-car camera of any sort.
No.
And you did not complete any supplement.
I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna become an officer, man, and I'm gonna do it the right way. I'm gonna do it the right way, y'all. Y'all heard it here first. I'm gonna become a police officer. I just don't know if I'm gonna do sheriff or MPD. I'm not sure, but I'm definitely gonna do it, and I'm gonna document my whole journey too, so you guys can see. And I'm gonna be one of the good cops. I'm gonna be one of the good cops that we need out here on the streets that actually know how to talk to people. You know, you don't have to arrest everybody. People just want to live. We in hard times right now. People just want to live, make their money, go home. You do got a couple of pinheads out here, you know what I'm saying? They be on the dumb stuff. That's cool. Worry about them. But y'all are bothering like innocent people, hardworking people, like law-abiding citizens. Like, these are the people that y'all messing with.
Reports in this case.
No.
So all the evidence that you have completed and documented in this case rests in this uniform citation. Would that be fair to say?
Yes.
As the interrogation continues, the officer is unable to recall key details about the incident. However, Larry Foreman doesn't hold back and goes for the throat this time.
One of the most common indicators that you look for in your training, and you've already alluded to this.
Ooh, they be hard on their training. That's what I'm saying. But y'all can't be out here, officers, thinking that y'all can do anything and get away with it. I'm telling you, they're going to go back to your training, and it's going to look bad on you and your department. It's not a good look.
You said, and you wrote it in the citation, his speech seemed slurred, right?
Mm.
Have you ever met Mr. Fernandez before the night of the encounter on August 21st, 2020?
No.
Are you familiar with his speaking patterns, the way he speaks?
No.
So you had no frame of reference
No.
as to how he's speaking to you?
No.
Now, some other common indicators that you look for in an individual who you suspect to be under the influence are, for example, bloodshot eyes, right?
Yes.
You did not see Mr. Fernandez having bloodshot eyes in this case, correct?
I don't recall, no.
Another indicator is having a flushed face.
What would you tell a man who can scroll for hours but can't work for 10 minutes and hates himself for it every night?
We getting to the thick of it. Y'all trying to do commercials.
Mr. Fernandez did not have a flushed face on the night of August 21st, 2020.
Not that I recall.
The trial concludes when Officer Shannon admits that he unjustly accused Mr. Fernandez of a DUI charge.
Throughout the night with the test and everything. So, and it's based on my judgment and my experience that I've had over the years that I believe that he was under the influence. And
next up, we have a photographer.
That's crazy. So you ain't have no, bruh, come on now. Let's be honest. He said something to you you didn't like. You got in your feelings and you locked that mind up. Come on now. Let's be honest. Let's go.
on public property at a state prison who was confronted and harassed by correctional officers who appear to be unaware of the laws about photography.
I love these.
Just filming. How you guys doing?
How much?
What's your name? Since you're approaching me all weird, bro, why'd you approach me all weird? Just slammed your brakes. I'm over here just filming, bro.
You know you're on state property?
Yeah, which is public property.
No, it's not public property.
It's public property. It is. I'm not dumb. I know this. I'm filming. I already told you that twice. I'm gonna stop asking questions, answering questions for no reason. What's your reason for stopping me? For coming up and talking to me? I'm over here doing nothing, not trying to hide. I'm over here filming. And then you want to come up here and slam your brakes, don't want to identify yourself, don't want to nothing when I asked you something, right? But you want to slam your brakes and be all intimidating. What the fuck is that for?
And our badges are on our
Exactly.
Also, but that's not what I asked. I just asked him what his name was. He wanted to slam his brakes because he wanted to slam his brakes, walk up behind. I already told you. I said I'm just filming.
I said, what's the purpose of it?
There is. It's for a story. Oh, it is. It is. I know for a fact. I already know. I've done this for a living for years, bro. Don't tell me what I can do, man.
The cops showed how professional they are by labeling photography as trespassing on a public property under questionable regulations.
You guys want to stand around and intimidate me for no reason? It's not going to work with me, bro. I'm going to continue doing my story.
Are you one of them sovereign citizens?
I'm not going to answer dumb questions, bro. What's your name and badge number? Why don't you identify it verbally like you're supposed to? Do you tell the judge that right here? That's what you tell him?
My badge is right here.
Oh, that's what it is. So you're right here, one of those, huh? I know your cousin. He's famous. So we're live, guys, right now. Just in case these guys want to violate my rights. I'm over here on state property recording, and he wants to try to tell me I can't be here to film on public property.
See? And we're going to stop it right there, man. Y'all leave y'all comments, man. Let me know what y'all think about this. Why are officers always harassing people? Just leave us be. Let us live. We just enjoying our hobbies. And you guys are bothering us. But anyway, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all hit that bell notification button. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thank y'all for stopping by. Peace.